Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. And today we are going to learn about the best three large cap mutual funds. That's very important. And mutual funds, I think you all know about the basics of mutual funds. Here I'm not going to discuss on the basics of mutual funds, but which are the three funds which we can invest in the large cap categories, and what is large cap mutual funds. Okay, so let's understand in detail about what large cap is all about and how which are the top three funds to invest for large cap categories. Okay, so let's begin. Before that, do subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end, and also share it to your friends and family. So those who do not know anything about mutual funds, I'll make a separate video for that, but this will be a best large cap three category in the category of large cap funds, which are the three best funds to invest. So many mutual funds are there in the scheme, but in large cap category almost 30 more than 34 schemes are there for the investments. But among 34 or 30, which are the three best large cap category of funds? Let's begin. Watch till the end. So what is large cap mutual funds? Large cap mutual funds are equity funds that invest primarily in the top companies, top 100 companies in the companies of India. So SEBI has made a categorization in October 2017 that top 100 companies are large cap companies. Okay, so that is very important, and these companies are some of the biggest brands in our country, and most Indians use their products on a daily basis. Okay, so large cap funds, at least 80% of the investments in large cap stocks only. Example, say a portfolio is constructed, and in that portfolio 80% of that investment should go into a large cap stocks only. That is called as large cap mutual funds. So large cap stocks are expected to be less risky compared to other categories of funds, because these top companies are matured and also well managed, and also management is very strong in those companies. Let's begin. Which are those fund names? I'm starting now, and there are, I have made it 37,000 to 14,000 crore large cap funds. This is the one category of funds, that is a large cap fund only. But the AUM here, you can see here, AUM is from 37,000 crores to 14,000 crores. So ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund is the highest among the AUM among all others. And next category, next same in large cap, between 10,000 crores to 1,400 crores. So these are the funds are there in this market cap. And next AUM, which has 1,000 to 34 crores AUM. So in this category, that's in this AUM category, from 1,100 to 34, these are all large cap funds. So almost more than 32 funds. Which are the three best funds to select and which are performing good? See, this is what is all about highest market cap holding funds which are categorized in large cap, and how is the returns in the first 1 year returns. This is 1 year returns. You can see Nippon has the highest returns in 1 year category. In large cap category, Nippon India large cap fund in 1 year 30% returns it has given. Okay, whereas in 3 years returns, again here 27%, which is highest in Nippon in 3 years, last 3 years returns. And if you ask 5 year returns, this is what the funds have done. Okay, and in 10 years, this is the returns since inception. This is what the returns in the this category of funds, that's a large cap. So I'll just select three among these. One is ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. This is the first fund in large cap in case if you are looking for the investment, this is the best fund to invest. And this is what the performance is all about. You can see here in large cap how it has outperformed the S&P BSE 100, sorry, BSE 100. Okay, it's outperformed among large cap. It's doing really great. And second is Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund. Is the second fund. This is what the performance you can see here. And again, this also performed better compared to S&P BSE 100 actual index. And third one is SDFC 100. So this is what the performance is all about. Let's understand in detail about these three funds, how they are performed and who are the fund managers. Let's begin. First, ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. This fund has started in 2018. Okay, and again I told you asset under the management is almost 37,000 crores. And who is the fund manager here? You can see the fund manager is Vaibhav. He's the fund manager, and he's having a very good experience among in the other AMC companies, and also he is a BTech, MTech and MBA. So he's having enough experience also, and he has across the industry. And one more is Anish, and who is also again MBA and IIM from Bangalore, and BTech in mechanical engineer from IIT Delhi. And he is, in terms of education and experience, both are very good. And let's check what is the as I told you about detail about the performance as I shown you here. And next is what is the portfolio and how is the portfolio allocation. And here you can see the fund has growth oriented fund, and 80% as I said, which is a large cap category of stocks he is invested, and mid cap he is invested only 8%. This is what the allocation he has done. And which are the sectors wise holdings? You can say this is the sector wise holdings like financial, energy and automobile, construction. So this is what the construction, the portfolio has been constructed on this sector wise. And these are the top holdings. So ICICI is the top holding, who is almost holding the asset is around 9.46. And you can see L&T, HDFC, Infosys, Axis Bank, Maruti. So these are the stocks the fund manager is holding in his portfolio. So this is about the ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund. And next is Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund. And you can see this fund has started in 2008, and the AUM is around 34,000 crores. And also, who is the fund manager here? Gaurav Kandewal is the fund manager. He's a CA and CFA, and well education. He is having a very good education, and also prior to this he had a very good experience among other Edelweiss Securities, Ambit Capital Private Limited, MK Global. So this is what his experience and well experienced in the industry. And next is Gaurav Mishra. He is also a fund manager, and is well qualified, and education wise he is IIM Lucknow, and also having a 24 years of experience in the investment management and equity research function. Very good experience, and background is also, education background is also very good. And what is the top holdings? Let us check what is his portfolio. And I can see here he is holding again 80% is large cap, more than 80% is large cap, and mid cap he is holding around 14.86%. And this is again a fund style is a growth fund. And sector allocations you can see again financial 33% allocations, technology 12%, energy, service. So these all are sector wise allocations in the fund. And which are the top holdings in the fund? HDFC, ICICI Bank, Reliance, Axis. So these among all are he's holding in his portfolio, in his holdings. So these are all the top holdings among the investments in this category. So this is all about Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund. And third one is SDFC Top 100 Fund. So what is the when it is launched? It is launched in 1996, and very old fund you can say, and but the AUM is less compared to other two, almost 23,000 crores AUM it has. And who is the fund manager? And Rahul Baijal is the fund manager here, and he's also, his education is again MBA and IIM Calcutta, and he's engineering graduate from Delhi, and he's also having experience good, and since he joined recently, actually in 2000 July 2022, and we need to see how is the performance. And you can see already the performance we have seen here last, if you want to see the last 3 year performance is 24% is the performance. So that's all in this video. As I said, 3 funds: ICICI Prudential Blue Chip Fund, Mirae Asset Large Cap Fund, and ICICI SDFC Top 100 Funds. So among the top category of investments which has a higher market assets, that's almost 30,000 to 14,000 assets. Among this category, these are the 3 funds to invest in case if you are looking for the large cap mutual funds. So that's all friends, and in case if you are looking for the more investment, do comment on the investments also in case if you are looking for any investments. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best. Happy investments.